A proposal peer told me the other day that he has landed a new position in a new company, different company. And it's a very technical company. So most of the team are engineers and technical experts, even the managers. And he's facing a problem. He's, of course, doing the heavy lifting of the proposal work, which is normal. But he feels the team engages only at the very last minute, including managers and the engineers. And he thinks that by mapping the process and sharing diagram of the process with the team, he will be able to engage them more, and also everybody will have a more clear vision of the whole process, why it's important to keep with the proposal plan to avoid last minute problems. And so he asked me that, and it remembered me that when I was full-time freelancing, every time I landed a new client, that was one of the first things I did, was to actually draw the process with boxes and arrows, inputs and outputs, and have a clear process to share with the team, but also to identify bottlenecks and define roles and see which tools could help us in different processes. Also to identify if something could be eliminated, maybe to save some time, or if there was like duplicate work. And with this, I mean like actually drawing the thing step by step. Let's imagine your first step would be like reading the RP and then building some compliance matrix and some summaries to share with the team, and maybe organizing the proposal management application or whatever. So in that diagram, you actually draw the box, put the inputs. The inputs in this case would be the RP. Then you have the outputs, which is the ones I named. And you do that step after step until you have the whole process and share that. And my experience with this technique is that, especially with technical teams composed by technical people, engineers, technical experts, this way of sharing the process works great for helping everybody get on board of the bidding function, which is very important, of course. So yeah, I shared my feedback with this peer, and also decided that that was going to be the first email in a series, and I'm going to share every Friday this summer for the following weeks, sharing insights and tactics I learned when I was full-time freelancing before being full involved in deep RP.